Hi boys and girls. Beach day has been so much fun, and I want to continue the fun with this little book called The Beach that we can read and write together. So I'll start by writing The Beach by Class K-204M. And this little book comes with a word bank, just like the Curious George book that we did. So here's the word bank, and let's go over the words. We have ball, float, shell, sunscreen, beach chair, ice cream, shovel, surfboard, bucket, pool, snorkel, mask, umbrella, flip-flops, popsicle, sun, water, flippers, sand, sunglasses, and watermelon. Now, a lot of those words you saw today, and you're going to use the picture to help write the story, just like we did Curious George. So let's go to page 1, and it says, blank will take a blank to the beach. So the first thing you do is look at what the boy or the character is taking to the beach. What is that? Can you see what that is? And we're going to match it up with one of the words in the word bank. You can match the picture. Did you see it? That's right. It was a bucket. Some people call it a pail, right? So I'm going to cut out the word bucket, and we're going to tape it in there. Now the other blank is for the name. You can make up the name. It can be any name you want. Now, I'm just getting my tape. Okay, taping that down. So, you can call him any name you like. We can make up any name. We've been talking about Curious George a lot. Why don't we call him George? So, or you can make it a name of someone in your family, your cousin, or your friend. You can write your name if you want, your daddy's name, your uncle's name. It can be any name that you write. I wrote the name George, and I'm just gonna cut it a little bit more so it fits in the blank. Okay, so that's our first page, and it says, George will take a bucket to the beach. Great, next page. Okay, we're using the picture clues. Let's see what she's carrying. It says, blank will take blank to the beach. Let's see what she's holding. Do you see the blue things in her hand? What are those? Now we'll go to the word bank and we'll find the match. I don't see it there. No, not yet. Not yet. Oh, I think I see them. There they are. Flip-flops. See, she's got the flip-flops in her hand. So I'm going to cut out flip-flops from the word bank. And we have to make up a name. So let's think. Let's call her maybe Linda, right? Miss Linda comes to our meetings. Let's say Linda. Now you can pick any name you like. And I'll tape that in. Now this says, Linda will take flip-flops to the beach. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next page. Let's see, what does she have? What is that pink thing? It says, blank will take a blank to the beach. What is that pink thing? Let's try to find it. Back to the word bank. Do you see it? Not yet. Do you see it? Let's look again at her. Oh, I think I see it. There it is, that pink shovel. So I'm going to cut out shovel. And we have to think of a name. Let's tape in shovel. And how about Jen? Miss Jen comes to our meetings. Let's call her Jen. So this page says, Jen will take a shovel to the beach. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Use the picture clue. What does she have? It says, blank will take a blank to the beach. What is that? Let's look closely at the word bank. It might be a different color. I don't see it there. Not yet. Oh, I think I see it. Hers is yellow in the book, but this one is blue and red. It's a snorkel and a mask. Have you ever gone snorkeling? Snorkel is when you look under the water at fish and shells, and you have to have this thing stuck out of the water to breathe. So, snorkel and mask. Let's tape that in, and we'll think of a name. Let's think. How about, want to name her my name? You know my first name, right? It's Rachel. So, Rachel will take a snorkel and mask to the beach. close that page. Next page. Let's look at what he has. Blank will take a blank to the beach. Let's find the match. Oh, I think I see it right away. It's that green thing. That is a green float. That is a float. Okay, we'll tape it in and let's think of a name. Well, the first boy's name comes to my mind is my son. Of course, you can put any name you want. You can put your brother, you can put your dad, your uncle, your name you could put. I wrote Ethan. Ethan will take a float to the beach. Next page. Look at what he's got. What is that, boys and girls? Let's find it. Oh, guess what? It was already cut out because we're cutting out a lot of the words, so that one was already cut out. And that is a ball, beach ball. So let's think. What name can we say? Blank will take a ball to the beach. Let's name him, how about Pete from Pete the Cat? Right? That was a good story, Pete the Cat at the beach. Pete will take a ball to the beach. And this is the last page with everybody there. And we can just write the end. Good job. Now there's still some words left over from the word box. If you wanted, you could make up your own picture story. So you could add a name and say that they took one of these other things to the beach. I hope you had fun at the beach with me today, boys and girls. Go back to the beginning, read the story again, practice reading and writing over the summer, and do it at the beach. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.